Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a little haul video type of deal. So yeah, I literally just checked the mail, and yeah, this is what I got in. I got my final bay for Metal Saga, for Horoscope, final 2 bays for my Metal Fury collection, and working on my Burst God series for Takara Tomy. So this is all Takara Tomy products. The video today is not these. These will be in a separate video. And this is what I'm talking about for the main event here. How good that guy is. This hard guy to get. I got these for a good price, $12 for each. One was a little bit more. But yeah, these guys are, this guy is one of the harder bays to get. Oh god, no. Here we go. And another atomic, yay, I'm happy about that. But yeah, if you don't know what these guys are, the Takara Tomy products. So yeah, I got these, actually, let me look. This is an extremely good seller. I bought a lot of my these loose guys for good prices, actually. Let me for this one, $40. For this one, $13.99. For this one, $25.99. So yeah. But yeah, these guys are extremely hard to get. And let's hear those clicks. Those wonderful clicks. Oh god, yep. Oh god. No. Oh. Oh, yeah, look at those clicks. I hear those clicks. And there's him. And of course, I got him too. And extremely good shape, though. Oh god, yay. Bushina Serta. Not as strong, but still. These are all one of the harder bays to get. And of course, the little gimmick. I have the Hasbro one, so I'm used to this, the gimmicks. But yeah. And the main thing in the meme, the giant banana, yellow banana, is here. Takara Tomy. I'm getting a few more loosies. So yeah. There he is. The banana. That's actually oh god. Yeah. God damn my watch. Yep. And Flugel. Let's hear it. Yeah, that's as slopes like Hasbro. But yeah. Here's the haul, and stay tuned for unboxing on these guys soon. Actually, you'll be seeing this guy today. As I'm recording this, is February 1st, 2020. So yeah, you'll be seeing this today, and there should be a few other videos ahead of this. This will be the 3rd video. Let me check. Actually, the first video that just got posted just now, actually. So yeah, that's that video. I literally just posted, so definitely go watch that. You won't be seeing this one for a little bit, but you'll be seeing this guy. And you'll be seeing this very soon. This will be the last video I'll be doing today. So yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.